Microduct Organizer Installation Instructions, brought to you by Hexatronic US. The kit will include the duct organizer bracket, 5 rows of duct holders, 4 anchors, and 4 screws. You'll need the following tools to complete the installation: a power drill, a Phillips head bit, level, and, for concrete vaults, you'll also need a 1/4-inch masonry bit, marker, and rubber mallet. Now let's begin by positioning the brackets adjacent to the end of the swing arm as shown. You'll want the top of the bracket approximately 16 inches from the base of the vault lid. Following bracket installation, insert the last row of the organizer and begin routing 1 row of microducts at a time. Populate each designated slot with a single microduct as illustrated. Upon completion of microduct organization and verification, install end stops to secure the microduct pathways. Upon service order, remove the end stop, secure a reduction connector, and insert a 5 mm tail from the fiber distribution hub. Configure the duct to establish a symmetrical distribution of 48 connections per side. Please contact our specialist with any questions. Thank you.